The Climate Resilience Program is a new program here at Wentworth Institute of Technology. It's targeted for students at the undergraduate level to learn the different types of sustainability concepts and to equip them with the tools that they need to be going out and working at green jobs using Boston as a laboratory.
This program is incredible because of the way it brings together so many different disciplines. You have chemists and physicists and biologists, but you also have political scientists like myself and historians who bring all those different aspects to students' understandings, right? And it all fits together as like puzzle pieces.
The beauty about this Climate Resilience Program is that it's a program that teaches students at Wentworth on the current global problems that are being changed, but at the same time, it addresses how these changes can be mitigated through this course.
Wentworth is unique in its co-op opportunities. It's a central part of a Wentworth education. And so these climate resilience majors will have that opportunity to go and work on these issues. And it's not just hands-on experience in the classroom, but it's hands-on work experience in their co-ops. When we designed this program, we made sure that it was flexible and that there was a lot of room built into it because we want students to have that ability to customize it in some way that's going to take them in the direction career-wise that they want to go and open the door to those possibilities.
I believe that after taking this course, the Climate Resilience Program, students will be well-equipped, well-rounded, and of course, in a sense, we are training the next generation of people who are able to tackle the effects of climate change in whichever sector that they work for.